In the fast-paced world of ride-sharing, Uber drivers are the unsung heroes who keep our cities moving. But behind the wheel, many drivers face a harsh reality. Low income and daily challenges that make their job anything but easy. Meet Daniel, an Uber driver who has been working in this gig economy for over 5 years. Like many others, they signed up for Uber with the hope of earning a decent income and having the flexibility to work on their own terms. When I first started driving for Uber, I thought it would be a great way to make extra money. But over time, I realized that the income isn't what I expected. The pay per ride has decreased, and with the rising costs of gas, maintenance, and insurance, I'm barely making ends meet. The decline in earnings is a common story among Uber drivers. With Uber taking a significant portion of the fare, drivers are left with just a fraction of the total payment. Many drivers have to work long hours just to make minimum wage. But low income isn't the only challenge. Uber drivers also face the burden of maintaining their vehicles. From frequent oil changes to costly repairs, these expenses eat into their already limited earnings. I've had days where I've made $100, but after gas and other expenses, I'm left with only $30 in my pocket. It's frustrating because my car is my livelihood, and if something goes wrong, I'm the one who has to pay for it. And then there's the stress of driving itself. Navigating through traffic, dealing with rude passengers, and the constant pressure to maintain a high rating. All of these factors take a toll on a driver's mental and physical health. Uber's rating system adds another layer of stress. Drivers are often at the mercy of passengers' moods, and a single low rating can impact their ability to get rides. This system, while intended to ensure quality service, can sometimes feel unfair to drivers who are doing their best under difficult circumstances. I've had passengers give me a low rating for things that were beyond my control, like traffic or the route the GPS suggested. It's disheartening because our income depends on keeping a high rating. Despite the challenges, many Uber drivers continue to work hard, providing an essential service to the public. But with rising costs and low pay, it's clear that the current system is unsustainable for many drivers. It's time for a conversation about fair wages and better working conditions for Uber drivers. They deserve more than just a thank you. They deserve a living wage. Let's stand with Uber drivers and push for changes that will help them earn what they deserve. Like, share comments and follow Driver's Voice. Just say no to cheap rates.